Modern data centers are pushing the limits of power density. As AI, cloud, and accelerator workloads scale, system architects must deliver higher power within tighter mechanical envelopes. Distributing power reliably between high-power modules and peripheral subsystems requires interconnect solutions that combine high current capability, secure mating, and compact designs. Introducing the Amphenol Minitek PICPWR OCP connector system, a hybrid power and signal board-to-board and cable-to-board connector engineered specifically for open compute project architectures. Supporting up to 864 watts of auxiliary power, the hybrid design integrates power and sideband signal contacts in a single connector. Each power contact delivers up to 13.5 amps, enabling efficient power distribution across the host processor module. We also offer the 48-volt PICPWR connector in right angle and vertical styles, available with either 6 or 12 positions. Designed for power distribution between 48-volt PDBs and 48-volt peripheral subsystems. Supporting up to 3,312 watts of auxiliary power, the hybrid design integrates power and sideband signal contacts in a single connector. Fully isolated terminals protect contacts during operation, and fully polarized housing prevents accidental mismating. A positive locking latch ensures secure mating and prevents mismatches during installation. For scalable power delivery in modern data center architectures, design in the Minitek PICPWR OCP connector system to power your server architecture. Visit our website for more information.